Okay, so we've came out today to a sabre boiler, which is basically a vokera. Again, I had a vokera yesterday. No heating. Hot water's working, but it's very poor. But as you can see, this boiler is very old. And these hoses around the side here, they're terrible for blocking up. So it might be a case of taking them out and having a look. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to connect onto our return here. So we'll cut that, and we'll get our hoses on, and get the flush machine going and see where we are. There's only 7 radiators on this job, so it's fairly small. But yeah, to tell you the honest truth, I think I'd be replacing this boiler. But anyway, it needs flushed regardless. So as you can see, we've disconnected, cut the return. We've got our hoses connected in. So we're in line now, ready to go. We've got the boiler at 2 bar, and that's through the machine. Obviously the boilers went to reset. We're going to put it on and let's see what happens. Okay. Boiler is now on. Trying to fire, and it's fired. Okay. Now I can tell off the bat that this boiler needs a new expansion vessel. I can hear it draining when I'm letting the water out of it. To tell you the truth, the boiler is probably around 25 years old. So I'm kind of at odds here on why we're actually doing this, but anyway, it's a 25-year-old boiler. We might get another wee bit time out of it, but yeah. So it's still fired, so let's see what happens. We'll leave it running for 20 minutes and then we'll see what's going on. So machine, 2 hoses connected up, machine there, and the hose is to the side, the dump, the overflow. So the boiler's still fired, but as you can hear, it's starting to crackle. Now I'm going to put my money on it being these hoses at the side here will be choked up, and it's sending all the magnetite back into the boiler, and that's how you're getting that crackling noise. We're not getting a lot of heat distribution out the boiler. Flow is there. Flow is basically warmish. So we'll keep at it and see where we end up. So we flushed it, we've put DS40 in it, and as you can see, all is well. So I would probably suggest another 2 or 3 years out of this boiler, and then it's maybe time to get it changed. I'm surprised it's still going actually, but yeah, it is, and it's continuing to go, so